Hey guys, it's Kendra with My Body Physique, and today I'm coming at you with a short little vlog about what I use for my body products, my facial products, beauty products, all that good stuff. With the survey that I sent out, I got a lot of feedback on people wanting to know what I use for just kind of like all over body care. So I thought it'd be fun to make a little bit of a video and just kind of tell you like my trending products right now that I'm using or what I'm not using. So number one, first of all, I just want to say that you don't need any of this stuff, and it's not, this video isn't for any marketing purposes for any of these products. A little background on my views on beauty products. I went a whole, probably a good 3 years of not having shampoo, conditioner. I had soap and that was about it, but I made my own deodorant, I made my own toothpaste, and my shampoo and my conditioner was baking soda and apple cider vinegar, and I literally used that for 3 years. Not really because I wanted to, but kind of because I didn't have the money to buy any of the stuff. And I will just tell you that my hair and my skin and everything had never looked as beautiful and glowing as it did in those 3 years. And still, I'm happy with where I'm at now, and I use stuff because I personally like it. It smells good, it makes me feel good. So yeah, just to let you guys know, you don't need any of this stuff. It's just kind of sharing with you what I like to use and why. So number one here, let's get into my hair. So like I said, in the past I use literally baking soda for my shampoo and conditioner or apple cider vinegar for my conditioner, literally whenever I washed my hair for 3 years. And when I came back to the real world, I was like, oh, shampoo and conditioner, like I can afford it now, and I'm so excited. So these are my two products that I really love, and I've turned a lot of people on to this product because it smells good, it works good, and the ingredients are really good. But it is Earth Science, if you can see. Yeah. The hair masque for conditioner, I think that's how you say it, mascara, I don't know, and the same one but for the shampoo. I get this at Whole Foods, but I guess you can get a better deal on Amazon. A lot of people that I've recommended to get it off of Amazon, but I love it. I wash my hair probably every other day, and yeah, I use those products, love it. You don't need a lot, it lasts a while, it smells really good, and the product is definitely vegan, earth friendly, little to no like crazy, yeah, even looking at this now, there's maybe a few chemicals in it, but it's nothing crazy that I'm really worried about my health in, so I love it. Love it. Let's see, number two here, while we're on the shower topic, firm believer, always love, and still to this day, and continuing, Dr. Bronner's. Yeah, Dr. Bronner's all-in-one purpose soap. This is the peppermint one. I love it. It makes your skin all tingly, but I really love the lavender one too. But this has literally, it's all plant-based. There's no chemicals in it. It works amazing, and you only need a little bit to like really lather on your whole body. I use it for cleaning my house, like I use it for toilet bowl cleaner. I use it on my dog, so it's probably one of my favorites. And yeah, Dr. Bronner's is totally the way to go. Going on to after the shower, number one, I used to make my own deodorant, but once I got back in the real world, didn't really have the time for it, and it just kind of really felt like trying something new. So right now I'm in love with Schmidt's, if you can see. This is the lavender and sage deodorant that they have. Certified vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, come on. But no aluminum, no bullshit. Minimum ingredients. It's made in the USA, made in Portland. I'm a huge believer in obviously supporting American companies, local companies. But I do shop at Whole Foods a lot, so I just try to pick up what I can get while I'm there. Love it. The only downside of this one, guys, is it leaves a little bit of white residue if you're like sweating a lot. So it might not fly with you, but I love it. It works really good. So yeah. Right now I'm kind of in between these two products for my lotion. Andouille Natural Body Butter, amazing. Rose Hips, I'm such a fan of Rose Hips. Again, plant-based, really good natty stuff. Yeah, made in the USA, amazing. And the Seaweed Bath Co. I just started using this. It smells so good. Again, really light ingredients in it. Made in Austin, Texas. Yep. Actually, nope, this is made in the UK. So, but it's made with USA ingredients, so I guess we kind of meet halfway there. I really like this stuff. And one of the things I want to say, guys, is for most of my body products, except for like my soap, the Dr. Bronners, I'm always switching out my body products, because say if there is some sort of like toxic, not so good like chemical in there for your body, at least I'm not getting like that repetitive dosage for like years and years to come. Like I know I use Pantene Pro V literally from, I don't know, probably being 6 to 21, maybe 20. And again, that had some really toxic stuff in it, and it was on my scalp every single day, literally. So I would say, honestly, circle out your body products and try something new. Like I said, if you still aren't comfortable with even like the minimal like natty ingredients in this, figure out how to make your own. It's so easy. Soap is a little bit difficult, a little bit more difficult, but literally you can make it with a handful of products. Or a handful of ingredients. Just Pinterest it. I have a really good article on my blog too with my homemade lotion, deodorant, and toothpaste that I'm going to put down below of this video. So if you want to take the challenge of making your own body products, I would say definitely do it. You can make it smell however you want to make it smell. You can make it feel however you want to make it feel. And yeah, it's kind of just a fun little beauty ritual that I like to do when I'm kind of needing that connection with my body. Let's see here, what else, guys. So I don't use a whole lot of makeup. As you can tell right now, I don't have any makeup on. I have a nice pimple here, so I am so human, and I'm fine with that. Thankfully, I've never had to deal with any crazy acne or just like weird skin problems. I have a little bit of maybe rashes that occur here and there from food allergies, but for the most part, I've always kept my face pretty natural. I'm not a big fan of concealer. It just doesn't feel good on me, and I can always see through it, and I just don't like that for me personally. But when I do go to work and stuff, I do put on a little bit of makeup, and I'm really a fan of this Pacifica. It's made in Portland, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Portland, Oregon, Pacifica. And this is their Stella Glaze mascara. I love that. Really good stuff. They have waterproof kinds. They have all different colors, really natty ingredients. And I also like their eyeliner. You can see that. No, you probably can't see that. And people are trying to call me. Sorry about that. So yeah, when I go to work, I'm definitely a fan of just like a little bit of mascara and eyeliner, just to make, you know, the eyes pop. And I love these products. I really, really do. Let's see. And so usually halfway through the day when I get home, sometimes I'm just kind of feeling grimy from like being at a gym all day and like touching people and shit. So I'll come home and I'll do a little witch hazel. And I really love Thayers witch hazel. This one's the lavender one. It's organic. Oh, it's lavender mint. I'm really a fan of just the original one, but the lavender mint is pretty cool too. I got it because it's organic. The other one usually isn't, but again, really natural. No bullshit in the ingredients. I love this because it's an astringent, so I just put a little bit on a cotton pad and then just wipe it all over my face. Kind of like those wipes that we used to get when we were teenagers from like that little red bottle. I used to love that shit. But again, really bad for you. didn't even have acne, so I didn't need it. But this is good. It just kind of like takes all the dirt, the grime off of it. It encloses your pores. So I would say definitely if you're looking for something similar to like those wipes, this is a really good alternative. Love it. So yeah, guys, that is my body products kind of like little routine that I have right now. And pause. Alright guys, sorry about that. 2 more things before I let you go. I want to talk about some toothpaste, some oral care. I'm kind of really big on having healthy teeth and gums, just because I've been around people that have not really bad teeth, but just really bad oral health, and it's kind of one of my, kind of like my little pet peeve. So I floss every day. I love flossing. I think that really helps with bad breath control, plaque, and just keeping your teeth really just looking fucking awesome. But one of my favorite toothpaste that I'm really hooked on right now is this neem, They're natural. And it's pretty awesome. If you don't know much about neem, it's kind of like they use it in gardening a lot to keep bugs away and other sorts of bacteria. So really natural here if you're looking for just keeping your gums really healthy. It comes out kind of brown, so you might be turned off by that. And then number 2, guys, I'm really a big fan on natural tampons. We all know that those tampons that we put up our yonis are really just kind of trash. So it's been about 6 years that I've been on organic tampons, and there was a time for a couple of years where I used the Diva cup. And if you don't know much about that, it's kind of like a cup that you insert in your yoni, and then you are, sorry about that. And then it kind of stores your blood, and you can, you empty it out, and it lasts a long time. I like that, but I'm definitely a fan of just tampons, because that's what I was kind of introduced when I was first menstruating. But yeah, a huge fan of organic tampons. So you can get these really, not almost anywhere, but a lot of natural shops sell them. So yeah, but yeah, guys, that is it. And what I just wanted to end with today is all these beauty products. I really feel like beauty starts with obviously your mental health, how you see your body and how you treat your body and your mind and what you're doing in your life. I feel like it really controls your glow from the inside out. So I don't think you need any of this stuff. It's really just a personal preference. And yeah, if you're really trying to get your body and your skin and everything glowing and looking well, first spot to look at is obviously not only what you're putting in your system, but the environment that you're in with your skin. It makes a huge difference. And yeah, I think it starts really on the inside out, and that's why I've been really blessed, is because I really take that to heart. So anyways, guys, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I would love to hear what you use for your own body products and how you feel about body products in general. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, like it, subscribe it, and I will talk to you soon. See ya.